Right. Would you like to come up? No, and you have to have some people. No people are coming up to draw. Like not my people.
Papa,
Yeah.
can you get people for me?
Can I get people?
Yeah.
Can I? What?
No, and we can share the girl. She's sitting there.
Oh, I see what you mean. There's a teddy bear in the basket. There's the Anthony teddy bear.
Michaela, of course. Michaela, you can come. Michaela, you can come up and draw.
Nevaeh had a doll, so Nolan wanted a doll, and I don't have another doll for Nolan.
Michaela? Yes. Yes, of course. Michaela, when
That's
you
cute.
say this,
They're sharing the doll.
because when we get this, we chose this. Michaela, you can come up.
Michaela?
Yeah.
Mommy to draw something like it.
Oh, put it. Oh, sure. Of course, Michaela, you can write your name.